Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to remove a Google account from Play Store on Android, quickly and easily. First, make sure your Google Play Store is updated to the latest version to avoid any issues. Now, open the Google Play Store app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, and then select Manage Accounts on this device. Here's something important. You can't directly log out from the Play Store. To remove a Google account from Play Store, you actually need to remove the Google account from your Android device itself. Once you're in the Accounts section, choose the Google account you want to remove. Then tap on Remove Account. Confirm your action, and that's it. The selected Google account will be removed from your device, and it will no longer appear in your Play Store. This is the easiest method to remove Google account from Android phone and Play Store permanently. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Android tips and how-to tutorials.